Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will draw an over the clouds landscape on an iPad using the program Procreate. With the plus sign at the top right, we create a new screen size document. And we will begin with a soft airbrush. And we will select a blue, not very intense, for the sky, for the upper part of it. And for the lower part will be an orange. A bigger brush. Let's paint some small light clouds on the upper part. And let's darken the lower area of the orange. Usually when we have a sunset, it looks something like that. Let's make a new layer, and with a very light orangey yellow, we add the sun. And on a new layer, we will paint what is under the horizon, which will be some hills lost with the lower clouds. But first, let me add some more color to the sky. Okay, good. Now, yet on a new layer, we paint gray this lower part. And then with a smaller soft airbrush in a darker tone, we created the texture of the clouds, the volume they have, the shading. By the way, I invite you to follow me on Twitter and Instagram @ArtistLeonardo. I hope to see you there. And we continue shading, very softly. Of course, there are bigger marks on the lower part, closer by us, and smaller at a distance. Let's make it a little darker for some. It should always be soft, since they are clouds. Let's pick up a wider airbrush and an orange, a bit more red, to increase the saturation of color of the sky. And on another layer, let's also add some of it to the clouds. We did the shading of these clouds. Now let's do the lights with a slightly orange color. Okay, good. Now on a new layer with a gray and with an HB pencil, let's draw the tip of a mountain. It should be lighter by the edge and darker below. Then back to the softer airbrush, we paint the clouds under it. Good, and yet on a new layer, and with a hard airbrush, let's paint another hill, but this time very close to us, and very dark. For the edge I will use the Paper Daisy brush, which is in the organic menu. With this, very quickly we can achieve a nice effect of grass and herbs. And back to the HB pencil, we will draw a man who will be on top of the mountain, enjoying all this. And if you made it all the way to this point, I would love to know it. Please in the comments write me the secret code, feeling above the clouds. And it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe to Fine Art Tips if you haven't done so already, click on the little bell to get notifications of new videos, and I will see you with more creations on Tuesday.